Hi there. We are excited to introduce the third release of Operately, the open source startup operating system. In this release, we are focusing on reducing noise, improving focus, making it easier to manage confidential work, and giving you a comprehensive oversight of who has access to your spaces. Let's dig in. The first thing I want to show you is how to create private spaces for your confidential work. Operately now supports private spaces for when you need to keep your work confidential. Projects, discussions, and goals created in this space are only visible to the people you invite. To create a private space, we would click on the Add New Space. Let's call it Legal for legal stuff. And on the bottom of the page, you will see that the default access level is company-wide access. This makes sense in a lot of cases, but for legal stuff, we want to be a bit more confidential. We can click on Edit, and then for the company members, we will select No Access, which means that this space will be an invite-only access. Let's create a space. The second improvement I want to show you is about space managers. Spaces now have a new role called space managers that have full access to the space, including the ability to invite people, create projects, manage access, complete projects. They essentially play a key role in keeping things organized, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks and wrapping up loose ends. Whether it's managing access or maintaining alignment, space managers help you keep everything running smoothly, making sure that space remains focused and efficient. Let's click on Manage Access and set this in action. For this space, I am the space manager, but we will add new members and promote them to managers. Let's add, for example, Martin, and we will add Bob as well. Now, we can click on the three dots and promote Bob to manager, which means that now Bob and me are the managers of this space, while Martin is just a member. The third improvement we are shipping this month is also related to this space. It is related to security and compliance. Basically, having a complete and unambiguous list of people who has access to your space. As the company grows, keeping track of who has access to which space can become challenging. Now you can get a very easy and quick access to the list of people who are company members, but not explicitly members of the space, but still have access to the space. To see this in action, I will click on Edit for the general access and allow other people to see this space. For example, I will give them comment access on this space. Now a new thing appears on this space, which tells us that 17 other people have access. If we click on Show All, it will list all the people in the company who implicitly gain access to this space because we changed the general access rule. That's a wrap on Operately version 0.3. This release focuses on team management, security, and compliance. Operately is open source and available under Apache 2.0 license. We're excited to build a community of early adopters and contributors. Here are some ways how you can help us spread the word about Operately. You can go to our GitHub repository and give us a star. You can join our Discord server. You can contribute bug reports, feature requests, or code. And of course, you can spread the word and share Operately with your network of friends and colleagues. We hope you enjoy Operately as much as we are excited building it. Stay tuned for the next release scheduled for next month.